Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be repairing this Google Pixel 6 to a new phone. So this phone fell down and it totally broke down, and I'm going to be repairing it as you see in the video. So what I did is I got the back glass, I got a new screen, and I tried to remove the broken back glass. And all it takes, you get a blower and your surgical blade, and you hit while softening the glue plus lifting the broken back glass. So I lifted the broken back glass so that I can place a new back glass. And what I did, I took the whole phone apart so that I can clean it perfectly. As you see, that's the frame of the phone, and a good chance we got the frame was still in good condition. So what I did, I cleaned the frame so that I can place a new back glass and it sits on perfectly. As you see there, I'm cleaning so that I can put a new back glass and so that it sits perfectly. And disassembling the whole phone helped me to repair the phone perfectly. And there I put the glue and inserted the back glass, or put on the back glass, and it fit perfectly. And also the wireless charger, I put the glue down so that it can be held in place. Then after that, I put back all the parts that are supposed to go in this phone: the motherboard, the camera, the battery, and I made sure everything goes to place where it is supposed to be. And that helped me to fix this phone perfectly, to check if there is any damage inside the phone, because the phone fell down. And after I inserted my new screen, and on placing the power button, the phone turned on perfectly. The phone turned on perfectly, as you see there, and I checked for everything and the phone was working perfectly. So that's how I fixed the Google Pixel 6 from the broken state to a new functional state. And you can also do this yourself by following the steps. Open the phone, get the needed parts, and fix your phone. Thanks for watching.